Message sent Saturday, September 6th at 2:17 p.m.
It's Shannon. Call me back.
End of message. To delete this message, press 7 to fix. Message deleted. Next message sent Saturday, September 6th at 2:25 p.m.
So, once again, this is all about you, and you don't have to listen to me because you don't feel like it. But I'm going to leave it on your voicemail. You and Carol were supposed to email me 3.5 weeks ago to let me know what time you were coming. I never received an email or a call from you to let me know what time you were going to be here this weekend, or if you were confirming this weekend, according to the email from Carol. It is not my responsibility to call you and chase you down to find out if you are coming and at what time. I'm not going to do that. You are supposed to have the common courtesy to call me to let me know when you are coming and when you will be in town. That is not my responsibility. I will be more than happy to coordinate something with you tomorrow, but again, you cannot expect Joey to drop his plans because you don't have the common courtesy to call somebody to let them know. I don't care what you and Carol have up your sleeve and what your plan is to do, but I am not going to be at your convenience, and Joey is not going to be at your convenience when you should have the common courtesy to call. And again, obviously you cannot have a civil conversation because you want to sit there and name threats and all this other crap. Well, you know what? Obviously you're right. We can't have a conversation. So if you'd like to see Joey tomorrow, you can call me. If not, then don't bother, and we can deal with this on Monday.
End of message. To delete this message, press 7 to save it in the archives. Message deleted. End of messages. Check erased messages. Press 1-9.